Few vehicles can boast the endurance of clocking 500,000 miles, yet there exists a select group of SUVs renowned for their longevity and reliability even when purchased for under $10,000. Whether you're a long-distance traveler, a family in need of a dependable workhorse, or simply a car enthusiast who values durability, in this video, we delve into 7 remarkable models that have earned reputations for their ability to withstand extreme mileage while still offering comfort, utility, and style. Number 7. Lexus GX 470, where luxury meets rugged durability. The Lexus GX 470 stands out as a prime example of a vehicle that merges the best of both worlds, the refined elegance of Lexus and the robust engineering of Toyota. Powered by a 4.7-liter V8 engine that has been lauded for its smooth yet powerful delivery, this SUV has become synonymous with reliability in the luxury segment. Owners have consistently reported that, with proper maintenance, the GX 470 not only easily surpasses 300,000 miles, but can also reach the 500,000-mile milestone without significant engine or transmission issues. Built with body-on-frame construction reminiscent of the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser, the GX 470 combines off-road toughness with upscale comfort, making it a favorite for both daily commuting and rugged adventures. Inside the cabin, luxury meets practicality. High-quality materials, premium leather seats, and modern infotainment systems provide an atmosphere of refined comfort that few rugged SUVs can match. The vehicle's interior is designed to withstand the test of time with durable components and ergonomic design. Number 6. Chevy Tahoe, the American full-size workhorse. The Chevrolet Tahoe has long been a staple on American roads, known for its powerful performance and spacious design. Equipped with a robust 5.3-liter V8 engine, the Tahoe is celebrated for its durability and ability to handle tough conditions, from heavy highway traffic to off-road excursions. The V8's design emphasizes longevity, and many owners report that with regular servicing, these engines can last well beyond 300,000 miles, making it a favorite among those who need a dependable workhorse. Manufactured by General Motors, the Tahoe has evolved over several generations, with each iteration building on a reputation for resilience and power. Its solid construction and proven powertrain have even led to it being used in commercial and fleet applications, a testament to its enduring reliability. Inside, the Tahoe offers a spacious and versatile cabin that can comfortably seat up to 9 passengers, making it ideal for large families or group travels. That SUV's design emphasizes practicality with generous cargo space and clever storage solutions throughout the interior. In addition to passenger comfort, the Tahoe is engineered for serious towing, with a capacity of up to 8,000 pounds, an important consideration for those who need to haul trailers, boats, or camping equipment. Number 5. Honda CR-V, the compact champion of efficiency and reliability. When it comes to a compact SUV that marries efficiency with steadfast reliability, the Honda CR-V has long been a standout option in the marketplace. Powered by a simple yet enduring 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, the CR-V is engineered to deliver dependable performance while keeping maintenance costs low, a hallmark that has earned it high ratings among consumer reliability surveys. This model has a strong track record in longevity, with many examples surpassing 200,000 miles on the odometer while still retaining a reputation for reliability. Its enduring design has made it a favorite for urban commuters and families alike, as it blends fuel efficiency with a practical, versatile design. The CR-V's interior is thoughtfully laid out to maximize space and comfort. Its cabin is well insulated and designed with high-quality materials that withstand the rigors of everyday use. Rear seats that fold down to create expansive cargo space further enhance the vehicle's practicality, allowing owners to adapt the interior layout for groceries, sports gear, or travel luggage. Over the years, the CR-V has also incorporated modern technology and safety features, such as advanced driver assistance systems, making it a well-rounded package for its price. Number 4. Toyota Highlander, the dependable family SUV. Toyota has long been synonymous with reliability, and the Highlander is a shining example of that legacy in the mid-sized SUV segment. Often referred to as the Tahoe of Toyota, due to its rugged reliability and family-friendly design, the Highlander has earned the trust of drivers who demand a vehicle that can safely navigate long journeys and demanding driving conditions. Powered typically by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, the Highlander is engineered to offer ample power for daily driving while maintaining commendable fuel efficiency. Owners of this SUV frequently report that, with diligent maintenance, the Highlander can accumulate several 100,000 miles without major issues, a testament to Toyota's commitment to quality. Inside, the Highlander offers an inviting, spacious cabin designed to accommodate families and long-distance travelers alike. The flexible seating arrangements allow for a combination of passenger comfort and cargo capacity. Number 3. Acura RDX, a compact luxury SUV that doesn't compromise. For those seeking a blend of luxury, performance, and efficiency in a compact package, the Acura RDX stands out as a compelling option. This SUV is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine that offers not only responsive performance but also exceptional longevity, a characteristic that has made it popular among enthusiasts and practical drivers alike. The RDX distinguishes itself with a dynamic driving experience that is rare among SUVs, thanks to its agile handling and well-tuned suspension system. Many drivers appreciate that, despite its sporty character, the RDX maintains the reliability associated with Honda engineering, making it a wise choice for long-term ownership. Step inside the RDX and you are greeted with an interior that exudes modern luxury. Its ergonomic design is coupled with comfortable seating and ample space for both driver and passengers, ensuring that every journey is as enjoyable as it is efficient. Number 2. Buick Encore, the underrated urban cruiser. The Buick Encore might not be the first name that comes to mind when discussing long-haul reliability, yet it has quietly carved out a niche as a dependable and budget-friendly urban SUV. Its compact dimensions make it particularly suited for city driving, where maneuverability and ease of parking are at a premium. Despite its smaller size, the Encore is engineered with a focus on maximizing interior space, which ensures that both driver and passengers enjoy a surprisingly comfortable ride even on longer journeys. Owners often praise the Encore for its balance between style and functionality, noting that it offers many of the benefits of larger SUVs while being easier to handle in congested urban environments. Inside the Encore, the cabin is designed with a modern aesthetic that combines practicality with a touch of luxury. High-quality materials, a user-friendly infotainment system, and advanced safety features such as stability control and multiple airbags contribute to a driving experience that is both secure and enjoyable. Early models, particularly those from 2013 to 2015, have sometimes been criticized for issues such as engine power loss and turbocharger malfunctions. Number 1. Infiniti FX, a sporty alternative with enduring performance. Rounding out our list is the Infiniti FX, a stylish SUV that combines a sporty driving experience with enduring performance. This engine is renowned for its performance and reliability, often delivering a satisfying blend of power and efficiency when well maintained. Many drivers have attested that, with careful upkeep, the Infiniti FX can be a long-lasting vehicle capable of reaching high mileage while still providing a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Its design has been geared toward those who appreciate a touch of sportiness in their daily commute, without sacrificing the practical benefits of an SUV. Inside the FX, the cabin exudes an upscale ambience with a range of features typically found in luxury vehicles. Premium leather seats, high-quality trim, and state-of-the-art infotainment systems come together to create an environment that is both comfortable and sophisticated. The vehicle's suspension is carefully tuned to balance sporty handling with ride comfort, ensuring that both aggressive driving and long road trips are equally enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in and checking out our deep dive into these legendary high-mileage SUVs. If you found this video insightful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more engaging content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, or let us know which SUV you choose for your next adventure. Until next time, keep riding and stay curious.